Across Western media and political stages, the words Islam and fear are often mentioned in the same breath.
Do you think Islam is at war with the West?
I think Islam hates us.
The 9/11 attacks by al-Qaeda terrorists 2 decades ago ignited a wave of anti-Muslim sentiment across the country.
When they say if you don't convert over, that they are going to kill you.
But is Islam actually a threat, or is it simply misunderstood? Today, we explore what the Quran says and why the rise of Islam stirs fear in some and peace in others. Islam is the fastest growing religion in the world. By 2060, Muslims are projected to make up over 31% of the global population, nearly equal to Christians. According to Pew Research, that growth is largely due to high birth rates, young populations, and an increasing number of converts. In the West, this rise is seen by some as a cultural threat. But does the Quran speak of conquest or of compassion? There is no compulsion in religion. Truth has become clear from falsehood. Islam does not believe in forced belief. The Quran makes it clear, faith must come from the heart. And yet, fear persists. Much of that fear is not rooted in violence, but in visibility. Hijabs in schools, halal food in supermarkets, Arabic on city walls. To many, Islam feels foreign. But what scares some is what comforts others. A sense of identity, structure, and clarity in a world drowning in confusion. O mankind, we created you from a male and a female and made you into nations and tribes so that you may know one another. Islam's respect for diversity originates in the Quran. While describing many of Allah's signs for mankind, the Quran states, "And of his signs is the diversity of your languages and your colors. Indeed, in that are signs for those of knowledge." Islam does not demand the erasure of culture. It recognizes difference. It dignifies it. One of the most unexpected trends? Thousands of Westerners are converting to Islam, many of them educated, accomplished women. Why? Because Islam offers boundaries in a world of blurred lines. It offers purpose where there was confusion, grounding where there was drift. In the U alone, nearly 25,000 people convert to Islam each year. Nearly 60 to 65% of them are women. But Western fear of Islam isn't just demographic, it's deeply emotional. For centuries, Islam has been portrayed as the other, sometimes by colonizers, sometimes by media, sometimes simply by ignorance. This fear isn't always rooted in hate. Often, it's rooted in not knowing. Invite to the way of your Lord with wisdom and good instruction, and argue with them in a way that is best. Islam is not an Arab religion. There are more Indonesian Muslims than Arab Muslims. There are black Muslims, white Muslims, Asian Muslims, Latino Muslims. There are Muslim scientists, Muslim athletes, Muslim artists, Muslim neighbors. This diversity is what makes Islam global. And for some, that's intimidating. But even the Prophet Muhammad, the messenger of Islam, was not sent with weapons or threats. He was told, "Say, I do not tell you that I have the treasures of Allah, nor that I know the unseen. I only follow what is revealed to me." He was not sent to dominate, but to guide. To those who fear Islam, we hear you. Fear of change is real. Fear of being misunderstood is real. But truth is not a weapon. Truth is a mirror. And the Quran does not ask you to be afraid. It asks you to reflect. Say, are those who know equal to those who do not know? The spread of Islam does not signal conquest. It signals curiosity. It signals longing. It signals hearts searching for peace and finding it in the remembrance of God. In a time of division, perhaps the scariest thing is unity. La ilaha illallah. There is no God but Allah. To many, that truth is not terrifying. It is liberating.